Hello, my name is Andy Watson. In this video I shall show you how to install Eclipse Codewind into either the Eclipse or Visual Studio Code IDE on your Mac, Windows 10 or Linux machine. Before you begin, please ensure you have either Eclipse or Visual Studio Code IDE installed and updated at the latest levels. Codewind prereqs the installation of the Git command line tools and also Docker Desktop to be able to containerize your Codewind application. Codewind also requires Docker Compose, which is included as part of Docker Desktop for Windows and macOS, but an additional install for developers using Linux. Links to these prerequisite tools can be found on the installation pages on codewind.dev. Once all the prereqs are installed, fire up your preferred editor ready to install Codewind from the respective marketplace. For VS Code, this is found in the left-hand toolbar. When open, simply enter Codewind in the text search box. Select Codewind from the list and press Install to commence the installation process. Similarly, from Eclipse, you can bring up the Eclipse Marketplace by going to the Help menus and selecting Eclipse Marketplace from the pull-down. Search for the plugin by typing Codewind in the Find box. Once listed, simply select Codewind plugin and press the Install button to begin the download. Once the plugin has downloaded, both editors will require a restart to pick up the new functionality. On restarting the editor, Codewind will ask you to confirm you wish to download the Codewind container itself from the Docker Hub repository. Please be aware that the Codewind container download may take some minutes to complete, depending on your internet connection speed. When the download is finished, the installation is complete and you're ready to start coding in your Codewind workspace. To find out more, please visit our website at codewind.dev.